Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming with Come Pack With Me for the special needs prom. This is going to be like all of my makeup and some of my hair tools. So yeah, I know I'm forgetting some things, but it's okay. This is just literally the most important things. So I have no idea how all this is going to fit in 3 makeup bags, but I'll make it work. And if I do need more, I'll just go grab more. So, I'm going to take with me is Jeffree Star Ranch palette. Which it looks like this, since my ball gown is going to be champagne color and light blue, which I will be taking videos and pictures of that one, and I'm going to be taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I think this is the second release palette. Ouch. So that's what that looks like there. It's got bright colors. Very, very pretty. And my mom is going to want her makeup done, so I'm just taking some other colors with me. And her friend is going to want her makeup done as well, and my friend, so I'm going to be doing their makeup as well. So I got this light colored, bright colored, and a little bit of shimmer glitter palette, because a lot of the girls that I'm friends with, they like their glitter like me. And I've got 3 mascaras right here. So yeah. And 2 setting sprays. This one here is by Glam Glow. The other one is by Huda Beauty. Let's see. I'm going to be taking Jeffree Star the Gloss with me. I'm going to pack that up. And I'm going to take, these are all of the highlighters. So, and I am going to be taking this lip scrub with me. My glitters. I think I need to get a Ziploc bag just in case, because yes, don't mind me, I'm shaking these bottles back and forth. I don't see no leaks coming through. Maybe that one, but I'll still take it. My glitter glue. My concealer and foundation by Too Faced, all in one. I'm definitely taking these. One's by MAC. The other 2 are by Jeffree Star. And of course, I got me some Melt Cosmetics eyeliners, which I figured these 2 might be fun to just spruce up that colors up a little bit. And then I got some hairspray today. Sexy hair. And some bobby pins, hair ties, hair tools. Yeah, a whole bunch of fun stuff. Let's see. Oh, shucks. Alright. This is gonna be part one. I'll be back.